Arvind Kejriwal's bail order, it appears to have been reserved by court. Arvind Kejriwal, who's currently seeking bail in the CBI case. CBI opposes bail to Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister. And the CBI says the Chief Minister can't get bail due to his role in the scam, and whatever medical treatment that needs to be done should be done in prison itself. That they could facilitate all of it inside prison. Now, Arvind Kejriwal has been arguing, his counsel in court saying he's not a flight risk, he's not a risk to the society, and bail should be his right. Let me quickly cut across to Shrishti Ojha, tracking court for us. Shrishti, we hear Supreme Court has reserved orders on Arvind Kejriwal's bail. Give us more on the arguments that went past.
Well, yes, Nabila, clearly Delhi's Chief Minister will have to wait for a few more days at least to find out whether or not the top court will be granting him any relief. As far as his role in the Delhi excise policy case is concerned, the court has reserved its orders today on his bail plea. There's no fixed date as of now as to when the court will pronounce the order, but we know that once the court decides to list it for orders eventually. Now, coming to the arguments, Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi argued on behalf of Arvind Kejriwal today, and he's clearly maintained once again before Supreme Court that that Arvind Kejriwal's arrest by CBI was nothing but an insurance arrest, basically claiming that CBI arrested him only to ensure that he's unable to get out of jail after being granted bail in the money laundering case. Not just that, he's claimed parity with Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia, who was recently granted bail by the Supreme Court, stating that just as court noted in Manish Sisodia's case that he's not a flight risk, he's an important member of the society. The same argument also applies in case of Arvind Kejriwal, who's a constitutional authority, and there's absolutely no flight risk or any risk of him or any possibility of him tampering with the evidences or influencing the witnesses. The CBI has, however, not agreed with this argument. Objecting to the same, the CBI has claimed that there's a possibility.
लेंथ मेरिट पे दोनों केसेस पे, अरेस्ट पे भी और बेल पे भी जिस तरीके के आर्गुमेंट हुई है, जिस तरीके से अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी जी ने बहुत डिटेल में अपने आर्गुमेंट के दौरान ये कहा कि किस तरीके से 41A का वायलेशन हुआ है, सीबीआई ने पूरी तरीके से ये अरेस्ट इलीगल प्रूव करने के लिए उनकी आर्गुमेंट लाइन ऑफ आर्गुमेंट थी। और दूसरी तरफ से एराजू जी की आर्गुमेंट सिर्फ ये थी कि ये क्योंकि सेशन में इनको जाना चाहिए था, डायरेक्ट हाई कोर्ट चले गए हैं। इसकी भी हमने काउंटर में ये आर्गुमेंट दी है कि हाई कोर्ट के अंदर और सेशन के अंदर लीगली हमारे पास पावर थी, हम लोगों ने हाई कोर्ट चूज किया। हम लोगों को उम्मीद है कि जिस तरीके की आर्गुमेंट हुई है, ऑर्डर रिजर्व हो गया है। मोस्ट लाइकली कमिंग वीक के अंदर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को रिलीफ मिलेगा और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी बाहर होंगे।
क्या उम्मीद लग रहा है सर, आज जो भी हियरिंग हुई इसको लेकर कुछ उम्मीद सर?
Shrishti Ojha still with us. Shrishti, we heard the lawyer saying Arvind Kejriwal will indeed get bail very soon. He expressed confidence in the court, and the orders are yet to come about. So what's likely to, when has the order been pushed for?
Well, Nabila, as of now, there's no date that has been fixed for the order to be pronounced. But as we heard, one of the lawyers from Aam Aadmi Party's legal team say that they're expecting that the order will be pronounced sometime next week. Not just that, they're also expecting and very confident, in fact, about the fact that Arvind Kejriwal will, in fact, get some relief. Today, what we heard before the court, we saw CBI clearly stating that no relief should be granted in the form of bail or an interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. Also stating that if any relief is given to him, there's a possibility that witnesses in the case will turn hostile. Therefore, Arvind Kejriwal should not be given any relief in this case as of now. One aspect which has been highlighted by CBI the most during today's hearing was the fact that Arvind Kejriwal's legal team decided to not approach the trial court first, which is the usual procedure, and approach the High Court directly seeking bail. As we know, in this case, Arvind Kejriwal did not go to the trial court, the lower court. He directly filed an application, a bail plea before the High Court. Now, even High Court, while deciding that application, had asked Arvind Kejriwal, granted him liberty to go back to the trial court. Even then, his legal team, instead of going to the trial court to apply for bail, they directly came to the Supreme Court. Now, their argument is that both the lower court and the High Court have concurrent jurisdiction to decide bail matters. Therefore, their decision to file a bail application directly before High Court is completely legal. However, the probe agency CBI clearly doesn't seem to agree with this, because again and again today before the Supreme Court they argued that the procedure is it will set a very bad precedent if any relief is given in a way, because he did not because Arvind Kejriwal did not move to the trial court. It's the trial court which is supposed to decide the bail pleas, considering all the details and the materials and the documents that they have before it. Not just that, we also saw ASG SV Raju argue that the fact that the High Court did not even have a charge sheet while considering bail plea, something that's very important. According to him, Arvind Kejriwal should be sent back to trial court, which will have the benefit of the charge sheet which has been filed and can consider all the aspects which are required to decide the bail plea in the first place.
Right.
This is something that again Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers had shown an objection to, stating that the charge sheet is not something that Arvind Kejriwal or the accused has access to initially, so it will only cause delay. According to them, High Court did have concurrent jurisdiction to hear the matter, and the Supreme Court also can decide on this bail plea. They've again claimed parity with Manish Sisodia's case, who was recently granted bail.
Another week or so is by when the Supreme Court is likely to announce his bail order, but we're still unsure of the date. From what we hear, the counsel of Arvind Kejriwal showing and expressing confidence, saying that he's got bail in the ED case, so likely the CBI case must be easier. Shrishti, thank you very much. We will continue tracking this story.